What is IELTS? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is the most popular and widely recognized assessment test of English language proficiency for people who want to study or work in an English-speaking country like the UK, Australia, Canada, the USA, etc. The IELTS exam is jointly owned, managed and administered by Cambridge Assessment English, British Council, and IDP, IELTS Australia. The IELTS test was introduced in the year 1989 to assess whether candidates are ready to be trained in the medium of English in an English-speaking country. IELTS is now accepted as evidence of a prospective student's level of English by most universities in English-speaking countries. IELTS is the most popular high-stakes English language proficiency test around the globe, and on average more than 3.0 million candidates take part in the IELTS examination each year. IELTS is widely available including in the USA. In fact, this test is available at more than 1,600 locations worldwide, including more than 50 locations in the USA. Why choose IELTS? Well, IELTS is one of the important aspects of the migration of your choice. IELTS test result is accepted for migration, work and study in Australia, Canada, New Zealand and the UK. 3 million test takers in more than 140 countries take IELTS every year, and it is accepted by more than 10,000 organizations worldwide. Your IELTS test results will help you meet your immigration requirements. Most immigration authorities who require an English language test will accept IELTS. IELTS enables you to start your journey into work or study in another country. IELTS treats all test takers with the utmost fairness and respect by actively avoiding any cultural bias and accepting all standard varieties of native speaker English, including North American, British, Australian and New Zealand English. Biometric security protects and ensures test integrity and IELTS test, and the results are fair to all. IELTS test is available in two formats. 1. Academic and 2. General training. Academic module is suitable for those who are going to apply for further studies and professional registration. General training module is appropriate for those who are going to English-speaking countries to complete work experience and training programs or for immigration purposes. Confirm which module you are required to take and sit for the appropriate IELTS exam. Beyond college and university admission. Your IELTS score can be useful even after you get admitted to a college and university. This could be a very convincing reason for you to take the test. Learn how the IELTS test can help you even after admission? More choices. Along with the traditional paper-based IELTS test, computer-based IELTS has recently been introduced and is available to some test centers globally. Currently, this computer-delivered test is available only to some selected test centers. But the IELTS Authority intends to make the computer-based module available in more test centers. Listening, reading and writing parts of the computer-delivered IELTS test are done on a computer. But the speaking test will still be conducted face-to-face by a human examiner. Please note that, if you are taking the IELTS test to support a UK visa application to work, live or study in the United Kingdom, you may need to take the IELTS for UK visas and immigration, UKVI, academic or general training, or the IELTS for life skills test instead of the general IELTS test. You might want to take the IELTS life skills test instead of academic or GT IELTS if you want to remain with a relative, spouse or partner already living in the UK permanently. You are already living in the UK and want to make it your permanent home. You want to become a British citizen or get British citizenship.
Thank you for listening and help us to subscribe this channel. Please like, share and comments in this video for inspiring us. Thank you.